Hey gems, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time seeing my face on your screen, welcome, and I hope you become part of the gem community by subscribing. So guys, in today's video I'm pretty much just going to be packing a couple of orders with you that I have to ship out today, and then you guys are going to set up my binders with me from my shop, Her Harmony Collective. So stay tuned, and yeah, we're not gonna waste too much time. We're just gonna get right on into it. See you in the next clip. So this person, they ordered 2 black bows with the gold paper clips. They also ordered a consistency half bookmark, a month ahead bookmark, and then they ordered the starter pack envelopes. And the starter pack envelopes, I will show you them more in depth when I do mine, but it's 6 envelopes and they're all pre-categorized. And then she's getting a freebie, which is receipts. I have 3 freebie placeholders, and I just choose them at random. And then I just added this because I'm trying to get rid of them, instead of just throwing them away. So this is this order. And if you order envelopes, you always get an instruction sheet on how to make the most of your envelopes and how to use them, for people who are just getting into this. And then I also add the thank you card that I made, and then under it has product care. A lot of people, I don't know if it's going to autofocus or not, but a lot of people do not pay attention to this bottom part, but it gives you the do's and the don'ts basically of what you can and cannot use when you are writing on laminate. And it gives instructions for glossy laminate and matte laminate. But okay, we have that, and this is one order. The second order, she ordered a half bookmark, and she wanted big wins, small choices, stack big wins. And then she got the buffer placeholder freebie, and then a thank you card, and then the thank you sticker. So I'm going to package these, and then I'll be back. But I wanted to give you guys a note that when we are in Etsy shops, we make a lot of mistakes. So that's why we tell y'all, that's why when sometimes the processing time days, y'all are probably like, why is it so long? Because we have to make room for error. This was in the laminator too long. I was doing something else and they ended up being in the laminator too long. This one, I was hole punching something before this one and I forgot to change it back to the envelope settings. So it's a lot that goes into it, but I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, so I completed those orders as you've seen, and I'm about to make my envelopes now and put my binder together. So let's just start making these envelopes. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to print the starter pack, and I already have them set up to print, so I need to put the vellum paper in the printer. Okay guys, so I'm going to print those, and with vellum, even though it is printing vellum, you want to let it dry. So for people who want to make their own envelopes, if you are interested in seeing how I make my envelopes and you want to make them yourself, let me know, and I may do a little mini video about it. But I'm going to print what I have, and I have to make sure that that first page is out of the way for the second page because it will smear. Okay, so in the meantime, while that is drying, I said I was going to make my bows, and I have the gold one here. And I have my bows, they are in pink, gold, white, and black. Do a gold one, and I'm going to do a white one. I got my little keychain. I sell these as well. I'm going to have my teller withdrawal slip, cash breakdown. I'm going to do the cream, and I'm going to make me some bookmarks, and I'm going to make a some deco cards. I thought I wanted consistency, which is not on my shop yet, but I think I'm just gonna go with something that I already have. And then I'll probably do a short on my month ahead binder just so that can get pushed out, but yeah. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I know it's been a minute. It took me a minute to get this recorded, but I am finally back. I initially started recording this video on Friday. It is now Sunday. So yeah, let's just get this show on the road. The reason why it took me so long was because I was not prepared. I did not have all of my supplies that I needed to create my binder. And then in the midst of making my supplies, I ended up making a new product that I'll be putting on my Etsy shop. Okay, here are my supplies. It's a lot, right? All of this is on my Etsy shop. everything, even this big stack right here. Okay, as you can see. So first, let's choose how we're going to decorate the card, the binder. So we know that we're going to use this pink. Now I need to decide on my first initial dashboard. So I have Psalms 40, chapter 46, verse 5, and it's God is within her, she will not fail. Ladypreneur, this white roses. So let's layer a few. And just see what it looks like. Definitely don't like that. Okay, so I know for sure I'm doing that one. We'll just come back around to the next one. But let's move on to the envelopes. So my categories are, and this is the starter pack, household, and there's like little cute messages on there, groceries, gas, eating out, personal, and miscellaneous. So that's gonna go there like that, but I just can't leave it like that. So I'm gonna say eating out, personal, and miscellaneous are low priority. That's what this bookmark is for, right? And then before we get there, I want to say if it doesn't fit the budget, it doesn't come home. Sometimes we need these little reminders. So should I put that before or after? I think I should put it before. Yeah, it looks better that way. Okay, and then groceries, gas, and household are fixed expenses or high priority, but I think I chose fixed expenses. I'm not sure why, but I did. And I don't think I'm going to use a card for that one. And I'm going to use a matte cash breakdown. So we're going to slide that there. I have a place for my coins. Okay, so now I just have to decide, am I going to do Ladypreneur or this white background? I think this works. I thought I didn't like it, but I kind of do. And then we have the little keychain. And this is my little binder. This is going to be my everyday binder. Why did I put that right there? It's supposed to be right here. I think I'm going to put just a gold clip right there. Just to add some bling to it. But this is super cute, I feel. So I have the Boss, Grateful and Blessed, the keychain, the bows with the paper clips, fixed expenses, household, groceries, gas. If it doesn't fit the budget, it doesn't come home. Low priority, eating out, personal, and miscellaneous. I have my cash breakdown. This is what I give to the teller. Basically telling them how many ones I want and what the total is, how many 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, and 100s, and what the total will be, and then the total amount down there. This is super cute. Okay, so with every order, I always give a free placeholder card. I don't know if I want to do receipts or overflow. I don't know, guys. I think because overflow is basically going to be where you have money left over and you put it in the overflow. That's basically what that is. Alright, so here we go. Everyday essentials is done. Now let's move on to the next thing. So with this one, this is like a month ahead binder. So with these, I made 12 blank envelopes because it's 12 month ahead categories. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in, and then we'll decorate afterwards. So we're going to do it different this time. And then these are the categories. Okay, so the categories are insurance savings challenge. I don't know why I have two. Vacation savings challenge. So insurance, vacation, vehicle, groceries. I have two vacation. Okay. Eating out, gas, housing, clothing, Christmas, and emergency. So I probably didn't even need 12. So we're going to put emergency here. And they fit perfectly. And then you just put the money behind there and behind it, and then you just shade in 5, 10, or however much you're putting. And they don't have to go in any specific order. You don't have to do them in any specific order. It's just based on your preference. Okay, now that I have them in all of their envelopes, these are the dashboards that I made for this. That's what it says. And then this is the backup part. So these are gonna go here. And then I have my month ahead bookmark. And then I'm gonna do cut the excuses, not the goals. And I think in the middle, I did your savings don't grow on bags. Okay. So I'm gonna put this there, and I think I want to do a gold like outer. And we're gonna do don't quit, do it. And I think white is fitting there. And then we're gonna do you are beautiful here. And then we're gonna do never give up here. Oh, I did that backwards. There we go. Okay, so we have never give up with the pink bow, empty, insurance, vacation, vehicle, grocery, eating out, gas, housing, clothing, Christmas, and emergency. And we have all our decorative items here. So this is my month ahead savings challenge binder. Now this is not released yet, and neither are the deco cards, but normally this would come in these. but I'm thinking about if you want this type of binder, there would be like an upcharge for it. Like you'll have to pay for the binder basically. I went ahead and changed out fixed expenses for high priority because I thought that it was more fitting and better. For watching me make these 2 binders, I'm sure I will make more, but I appreciate it. I think they're super cute and just, yeah, they're gorgeous. I love them. I can't wait to use them. Oh, and I went ahead and put overflow in one of the empty envelopes since I made too many, and then I left receipts in this one because you get a lot of receipts, and this holder has 2 slots, one here and one behind it, so I thought that was better. But guys, check out my Etsy shop at Her Harmony Collective. I will be sure to drop it in the comments and in the link below. I mean, in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Check out my binders. Oh, they're so cute.